आपके पास पैसे अच्छे हैं और आप तुर्की में टॉप प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी में आना चाहते हैं तो फिर कोच यूनिवर्सिटी को मेरे ख्याल में अभी मैं आया हूँ और इसका कैंपस बहुत ज़बरदस्त है। और यहाँ पे जो लाइब्रेरी मैंने देखी है, लाइब्रेरी में बहुत सारी मतलब रिसर्च है, उनके पूरे डाटा बैंक से है। तो टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी है। यूनिवर्सिटी जो है नॉट फॉर प्रॉफिट है, प्रॉफिट का चक्कर नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है। ज़ाहिर है इतना बड़ा कैंपस है और सारी चीज़ें। तो अगर आप भी टॉप यूनिवर्सिटी देखना चाहते हैं, एक तुर्की में आना चाहते हैं, तो मेरे ख्याल में कोच यूनिवर्सिटी अभी टॉप रैंकिंग में है। इसके अलावा भी सस्ती यूनिवर्सिटियाँ भी हैं, लेकिन ये कि जो मुझे यहाँ पे आके फ़ील हुआ, काफ़ी अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट है, बॉस्फोरस के पास है, शहर से थोड़ी सी बाहर है, लेकिन आप कैंपस में हॉस्टल में रहने के लिए आएँ तो क्वालिटी लाइफ, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन, प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटी इज़ बेस्ट। अगर आप तुर्की में बाकी जगहों पे आना चाहते हैं तो वहाँ पे आपको टर्किश जो गवर्नमेंट की यूनिवर्सिटियाँ हैं बहुत अच्छी है तुर्की में, लेकिन वो टर्किश लैंग्वेज, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में नहीं है। तो यहाँ पे सारे के सारे प्रोग्राम इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में है। सो दैट्स गुड। लेट्स हैव अ क्विक लुक एट द स्टूडेंट सेंटर। लुक्स अमेजिंग। What is the fee structure? Is there any scholarship available? Can a student get a job in Turkey and earn enough money? If you have the similar questions, then why not to ask from the university administration? And don't forget to share this video with others who might need it. And if you are a student who is at this university, please comment and tell us with your experience. If you are interested to get admission at Koç University, one of the top universities in Turkey, then here's information for you. I have with me Melissa.
Hi, Makulaman. Thank you for visiting Koç University.
Can you tell us about yourself? What is your role at this university?
Sure. So I am the Director of International Student Recruitment at Koç University. I've been here for 9 years. I'm originally from Venezuela, but I have been here for 12 years, so I consider myself an adopted Turk by now. I love being here. I love the way Turkish people welcome international students and faculty and staff, particularly to this university. And I hope I can be of help to many more students in the future from every country and from Pakistan.
Okay. Can you tell me a little bit fee structure? Generally, just a bigger idea, how much is the fee roughly? And do you have also scholarship? Because people will be interested into that.
Of course. So our undergraduate programs, bachelor programs that have a 4-year duration, they have an annual tuition of $21,500 per year. Our MD or MBBS equivalent program, which is 6 years, has a tuition of $29,500
Per year?
per year.
Okay.
We do offer scholarships of 100%, 75%, 50%, or 25% for all bachelor programs except medicine on the basis of academic merit. So the scholarship decisions are based on a holistic evaluation of the candidate that includes their high school performance in terms of grades, eligible test scores in case they're applying with an SAT test scores, or their predicted IB or A-level grades, motivation letters, reference letters, extracurricular activities, and any other information that can help the college admissions committee to see who is this applicant. At the graduate level, all of our master with thesis research focused masters are offered with 100% tuition scholarships. This is why we receive a lot of interest in our master programs from all over the world. They're very selective in terms of admission of candidates because they're very small programs. So for example, programs like economics, computer engineering, international relations, they only admit fewer than 10 students a year, but it's with a full scholarship package. Similarly, all of our PhD programs are offered with 100% tuition scholarship for the whole duration of the program. You have to be a very, very good candidate in terms of your academic performance in previous degrees and your potential for research, but once you're offered admission, the only thing you have to worry about is doing your research and performing well as a research assistant at the university, either as a master's or as a PhD student. We also have professional master programs, which are non-thesis, 1-year masters, for example, in management, MBA, masters in finance, masters in data science, cybersecurity, and the tuition for those programs ranges between $10,000 to $20,000 for 1 year. There are very limited scholarships for those programs, but they're also based on academic merit.
Okay. Can you tell me, okay, this is the tuition fee we are talking about, scholarship or without scholarship. How much is the rest of the expenditure? Do you have here hostel for students to live, and how much that cost? Or the living cost around?
Sure. Koç University, we do offer campus dormitory accommodation for international undergraduate students and PhD students. So all international PhD students are guaranteed share accommodation on campus. Undergraduate students can apply for a dormitory room. There's a specific process. What we cannot guarantee is that you will get the room type that you want, but we try to guarantee that you will get a place so that you're conveniently located next to the academic buildings within our main campus. In terms of overall living costs, we estimate that for the current academic year, students should prepare a budget of between $6,000 to $7,000 for a year that covers your rent, food, local transportation, healthcare costs, and other expenses. So that's roughly like $700 to $900 a month.
Okay. Okay. Is there any job opportunities for students? Because many students think, okay, can I do part-time job there in Turkey? And what is the legal side and what is the opportunity there?
Sure. This is one area where Turkey, quite honestly, is not as advantageous as other destinations, because legally it is possible for international undergraduate students to work during their studies after they have completed the first year. But in practice, it's very hard to find companies to then offer the sponsorship to students to work part-time, because it involves applying for a work permit that then exists in parallel with the student residence permit of the student. So it is not very easy. It's not impossible, but it's not easy to find part-time positions on campus or off campus to cover living costs. So when students do decide or they need to work part-time, usually they do so remotely. And after the pandemic, the number of opportunities has expanded to do that. So they may work doing freelance jobs or even with companies back from their own country, but it is not easy. So people have to keep that in mind.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
So I'm very glad to be talking to students who are interested in coming to our university from Pakistan. Pakistan is actually one of the countries where we first hosted international students in our graduate programs, specifically at the PhD level, back in 2013, when we signed an agreement with HEC Pakistan. And because of that, we have welcomed outstanding candidates who have completed their PhD programs and then have gone back to become professors at the top universities in Pakistan.
So, okay. Melissa, can you tell us what is the total number of international students here at your university?
So we have nearly 900 international students. They represent 10% of our total student body. And of course, we're looking to increase our diversity in our classrooms at the PhD, master's, and undergraduate level, including with students from Pakistan.
Okay. Melissa, can you tell me why should Pakistani students or other students should consider your university?
The best answer to that is actually one that was provided by one of our Masters in Law alumni from Pakistan. I love what he said. He said, in Turkey, and specifically at Koç University, you can find the best of both worlds. So if you want to have the Western European tradition in terms of the academics, the research, culture, you can find that at Koç University. But if you also want to find the warmth, hospitality, collective approach to supporting each other that you would find in a Muslim country, then you can do that in Turkey and also at Koç University. Because we're a small university, we offer a very personalized, hands-on, boutique-type experience of education in terms of the classroom sizes, the supervision of students, and also the dedicated staff teams that administratively support of students in terms of their pre-arrival, once they're here, their adaptation, graduation, so all the way to the end of the process. There is dedicated people who know you personally and can always help you whenever needed.
Okay, Melissa, can you tell us if someone wants to inquire more about your university, where should they contact?
So our first point of call is always the website. We have put a lot of time and effort to provide pretty much every answer to every question in our international admissions website. The address is international.ku.edu.tr. So you can find all of the information about which programs we offer, the tuition fees, scholarships, admission requirements, frequently asked questions, videos from our students, videos from our alumni, events that we're going to be hosting live or online. If we're visiting Pakistan, you will also find out through our website. And if you want to keep up to date with news about the university and when our applications open and close and so on, you can sign up and receive information via email. It's a very quick form that you can fill out on our website.
Okay, perfect. How many Pakistani students you have now?
I need to check, but
Yeah.
I think we're close to 100 something students, but the something is what I can't remember right now.
Okay, so there will be a support. There will be.
Yeah. Before the pandemic, we did have a Pakistani student association, and they used to organize several cultural events throughout the year. One of them was during the spring, where they were teaching the other international students as well as the Turkish students and faculty how to fly kites for the I forgot the name for the
Busan, like
Busan, yes.
yeah.
Yes, so that was a very, very nice tradition that was established at the university. I do hope that our current Pakistani students will take up the initiative to start doing that again. There were also kind of food festivals and other cultural festivals that we were organizing. So I think we're all coming back from the pandemic slowly in terms of, reinvigorating our campus life. So I do hope our Pakistani students watch this and take the idea as well.
Okay, and if someone wants to connect with Pakistani students, is there any like student group they can reach out, or?
We do have a mobile application that we send invitations to students who have applied and been offered admission to the university. And in that mobile application, they can connect with other Pakistani students, both current and new ones. But if before that, they want to connect with Pakistani students, the best way to do that is to send us an email, and then we can put you in touch with a student who may be in the same program that you're interested in studying or at the university. We ask for their permission, and then you can connect via email. Here we have a list of our undergraduate programs. This is a website where you can find all information about our programs, fees, application requirements, scholarships, and everything is in there. All the questions you may have, they're answered there. We also now have a TikTok channel and, of course, our YouTube channel, Koç University International Admissions. And here you can see a list of our application requirements for undergraduate programs. There is a more detailed list on the website to check if your high school diploma or national document is eligible. Here we talk about our tuition and scholarships. If you want to get in touch with any of us or our students, you can email us to study@ku.edu.tr. And if you want to apply, this is our application website, which is apply.ku.edu.tr. If you're wondering more generally about Turkey and living in Istanbul, here we prepared this little kind of summary.
Okay. I'll put, I think, this information over there.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. So, Melissa, can you tell me if someone is in Pakistan, do you have any agent or consultant in Pakistan? People can meet there in person and get the first-hand information.
Of course, we have been working for several years with AWM Education. They are an educational agency that specializes in education in Turkey. So if you're interested to know more and have more guidance, you can contact them.
Tell me, where is this Koç campus, university campus? Where is it?
Yes, so well, our campus is located on the European side of Istanbul. Istanbul is a city with one side on the European continent and one side on the Asian continent. So we are on the European side in the northwest, very close to the Black Sea. So our campus, as a grade, meets with the Bosphorus, which is what divides the two continents.
Okay. I see there's some picture from Lahore. Can you tell me what is that picture?
Yes, so that was a lovely...
Can I pull out?
Yeah, sure. Let's do it. That is a very nice postcard that we received from one of our partners, showcasing some of the kind of main attractions of Lahore to visit it. So I hope
you have a memory of it, yeah?
Yes. Well, actually, I have never been to Pakistan.
Okay.
My colleagues in my team have been lucky to go.
Okay.
But I look for the chance to go in the future. So
for sure. Okay. Thank you very much, Melissa.
Thanks
a lot. I think this information will be helpful for many international students.
No, thank you. Thank you for giving that information to them.
Thank you.
Thanks.
this information is useful for you if you are planning to come to this university. I'm at the university, and I think this is one of the most beautiful campus I have ever seen. It's located in a very beautiful place. I have been to library. My own students are doing the research here. The student center is wonderful. So yes, it is expensive. If you have money and you want a good university, then it's right for you. If you want a cheaper university, probably not. Or unless you get a scholarship. Okay, all the best. Do your research, and of course I'm going to put the links for contact details of the university right in the description. Take care.